Hello everyone, this is Nirmal for Technique, and in this video we're going to test out the gaming performance of the new Moto C. So the Moto C is the latest budget offering from Motorola or rather Lenovo, and this comes with a 5-inch FWVGA display, and it is powered by the MediaTek MT6737M quad-core chipset. It's a 64-bit quad-core chipset, and this is coupled with just 1 gigs of RAM, and it has 16 gigs of storage. So specification wise, this is not really a great hardware. MT6737 coupled with an FWVGA display, that definitely is not a really great device for gaming, but nevertheless we'll just test out the gaming performance. So unlike other gaming tests we have done, we'll just limit to one game, that's Asphalt 8 Airborne. We'll not be playing all the 3 games which we generally play, because this is having just 1 gigs of RAM, and not all games will be playing great with 1 gigs of RAM. So we'll just play Asphalt 8 Airborne and see how good the performance of this device is with 1 GB RAM. So let's start off with Asphalt 8 Airborne. So we are playing in high graphic settings. That was the default option when we started the gameplay. So this is high graphic settings, and you could see even with 1 GB RAM it is performing quite well. It is definitely having a lagginess, and also you can see some frame skips here and there, but the surprising thing is that it is still able to play pretty properly with 1 GB RAM. So it's not a very smooth performer. Also the display touch response is not that great, and the display quality, that FWVGA display doesn't do really great experience on this device. So now we are playing in medium graphic settings. So initially we played in high graphic settings, and now we have moved to medium graphic settings, and here you could see it's much more playable, and that lagginess is not there in medium graphic settings, obviously because it is not a high-end processor, nor there is sufficient amount of RAM. There is just 1 gigs of RAM, and that could be the reason there is some lag with high graphic settings. And here it's a bit more smoother, but we can't say it's a really great gaming experience for a budget offering. Still the Redmi 4A produces better gaming experience than this device. As such, this device is suitable for casual gaming, not for heavy graphic rich games. But Asphalt 8 did perform quite well on this device in medium graphic settings. So after 2 rounds of Asphalt 8, let's see the temperature. So it is 38 degrees on the rear panel. You can see that the camera module has 40 degrees. So it's slightly on the high side. You can see 40 degrees on the camera module. All the other places it's below 40 degrees. So maximum was around the camera module 40 degrees. And let's see the display. The temperature on the display is again lower at 36 degrees. So not much of heating happening on this device. 2 rounds of Asphalt 8 and the temperature is not that high. So overall the gaming performance of the device was kind of very much average, and you can't expect too much from a phone which is priced below the 7,000, and also just with 1 GB RAM and a pretty basic processor, that's a 6737 quad-core chipset. But nevertheless, it did perform quite well for a budget smartphone, even with 1 GB RAM. It was definitely decent performance altogether. So the Moto C is not a device for gaming. So if you want to play games, it should be limited to casual games, not for heavy graphic rich games. That's not this device is suited, and this can play only medium or rather casual games. So that was the gaming performance review of the Moto C, the new budget offering from Lenovo. Hope this video was useful. In case you have missed the unboxing video, we'll share the link in the description of this video. We also unboxed this device and we did an exclusive unboxing of this device, which is priced 6,300 in India. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.